giving the AI a specific persona. Don't just ask it to write a grant proposal. Command it. Act as a professional grant writer with 25 years of experience and a 92% success rate.
If you've ever felt just a little bit overwhelmed by all the buzz around artificial intelligence, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to cut through all that noise and show you how to turn AI into your most powerful tool. Seriously. By the end of this, you'll see how you can generate a whole week's worth of content in just an hour, get expert-level advice on demand, and just automate all the boring parts of your job. All right, let's dive in.
I just love this quote from AI specialist Alicia Little because it completely reframes how we should be thinking about this. What it means is that every single day you wait to learn AI, you're actually falling further behind. The version we have right now, today, is the least powerful it is ever going to be. So by starting now, you're not just learning some new skill. You are literally future-proofing your career.
So, where do we start? What's the first step? It's all about shifting our mindset from fear to empowerment. You know, the conversation around AI is so often dominated by what we might lose, but we're going to flip that. We're going to focus on what you stand to gain. We'll go from the why to the how, giving you practical, step-by-step plays you can run in your own life and your own work starting today. And here's the funny thing. You're already using AI every single day. The big difference is you're a passive consumer of it. See, when Netflix suggests a movie or Amazon recommends a product, that's AI working on you. Our goal here is to flip that script so you can start making AI work for you. It's time to go from being just a user to being the driver.
Okay, let's just tackle the biggest fear head on. Is AI going to take my job? Well, the consensus from the experts is pretty clear. AI won't replace you, but a person using AI absolutely will. So it's not about being replaced. It's about becoming irreplaceable. Learning to leverage AI is like adding a superpower to the skills you already have, making you faster, smarter, and way more valuable in any role.
So, how do you actually build this new superpower? Well, it's the same way you learn any new skill. You start small with practical, everyday things. We're going to start treating AI like our new personal assistant. Let me show you exactly what I mean with a real-world example you can literally try tonight.
Okay, picture this. It's 6 p.m. You have no idea what to make for dinner. So instead of scrolling through endless recipes, you just take a photo of whatever's in your fridge. You upload it to an AI like ChatGPT, and you type, "Give me a gluten-free recipe for 2, ready in 30 minutes using only these ingredients." And boom, seconds later, you have a step-by-step plan. This isn't just about dinner. This is about getting rid of that everyday decision fatigue. And this goes way beyond the kitchen. People are using this exact same process to save money. I mean, getting AI to diagnose a broken dishwasher and avoiding a $150 repair call? Yes, please. They're using it to help their kids, turning it into a super patient math tutor that explains complex problems. It can even take a dense 50-page instruction manual and turn it into 5 simple bullet points. It's all about saving time, money, and your sanity.
Now, once you get comfortable using AI as your personal assistant, that's when things get really interesting. The next logical step is to bring it into your professional life. For entrepreneurs and small business owners, this is an absolute game changer. Think of all the roles you wish you could hire for: a marketer, a designer, a strategist. Well, with AI, you can build that dream team instantly.
So what does this AI team actually look like? Well, you've got an expert copywriter to draft those compelling sales emails. You've got a graphic designer to create stunning social media posts in minutes. You can even hire an AI grant writer to find funding and write winning proposals. You can have an AI agent answer your phone and book appointments, or even an AI business coach to help you spot new opportunities for growth. It's wild.
Okay, let's get super tactical. I want to walk you through a really powerful workflow, and this isn't just for content creators. Think of this as a template for automating any complex project. This is a real-world example of how to go from a simple idea to a polished final product in a fraction of the time. And the best part? The tools we're about to talk about are pretty much all free. So it all starts with research, but we're going to squeeze hours of work into about 15 minutes. Instead of watching hours of competitor videos, you just feed the links to a tool like NoteGPT. It summarizes them for you instantly. You can even chat with the video, asking it questions to find a unique angle no one else has. This turns you from a passive consumer into a strategic analyst. All right, next up, scripting. This is where you can use what's called a custom GPT, which is basically a version of ChatGPT that you've trained on your own writing style so it actually sounds like you. You give it your core idea and it kicks back a structured outline. Then you just ask it to expand on each point. In about 10 minutes, you've gone from a blank page to a fully formed script.
Now, this final step is where the real magic happens. This is all about leverage. You take your finished piece of content, say a video, and you feed the transcript into an AI like Claude or ChatGPT. Then you just give it simple commands. Rewrite this as a blog post. Turn this into 5 tweets. Create a LinkedIn article from this. Instantly, your single effort is multiplied. One piece of work becomes 5, 10, even 20, all perfectly tailored for different platforms. So you've seen the practical applications, right? But how do you go from being a casual user to a true power user? Someone who gets those exceptional, mind-blowing results? Well, it's not about knowing more tools. It's about a fundamental shift in your mindset and using a few key techniques. Okay, the single most important concept is this. You have to train your AI. An out-of-the-box AI is generic. If you don't train it, everything it creates for you is going to sound generic and robotic. But by feeding it your past writing, your bio, details about your business, just like you would a new assistant, it learns your unique voice. It becomes your personal AI ghostwriter, creating content that is authentically you. And here's a crucial mindset shift. Never, ever accept the first thing the AI gives you. You have to treat it like a creative partner you're coaching. You can literally tell it, that's a good start, but you can do better. Ask it to make the text more persuasive, more professional, or funnier. The moment you start pushing back and making it revise its work is the moment you unlock its true potential. Which brings us to probably the single most powerful prompting technique you can possibly learn, giving the AI a specific persona. Don't just ask it to write a grant proposal. Command it. Act as a professional grant writer with 25 years of experience and a 92% success rate. By giving it a role, a history of expertise, and a track record of success, you're not just getting text, you're getting output from a world-class expert. At the end of the day, AI is so much more than just a tool for getting things done faster. It's a partner in creation. It's a co-founder in strategy. Once you learn to train it, to challenge it, and to direct it, it becomes a true extension of your own ambition. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?